Have you ever wondered that how people broke YouTube algorithm with just one short? Yeah, you've heard right, some people broke YouTube algorithm with just one short. So today I am going to teach you how to break YouTube algorithm with just one short, because I also broke the algorithm with just one short. I have proof. See, this short got 1.7 million views and is still getting views now. Now I am not going to waste your time. Let's start. Guys, you have to create a relatable type content because viewers may love relatable like content, as my short that I previously shown you got 1.7 million views as it was very relatable. So, if you make relatable content, it will 100% go viral in 7 days, trust me. On the second step, you have to hook your viewers on the first 3 seconds. So, guys, if you hook your viewers for 3 seconds, then it will be a high chance that they will see the short till end and your short will get higher retention. If you get higher than 100% retention, then there is a higher chance your short will get viral. On the second step, you should deeply search about your topic in YouTube or other social platforms. The last step, the most important step, after making a title, go to the website tuberanchor.com and paste your title there and copy the hashtags given there and paste it to your description and wait for 1 hour after uploading, then check one time and guaranteed you will get upper than 500 views on the first hour. That's all for today. Hope you learned something new today. If you have learned something new, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.